iSpring Suite is a supercharged e-learning authoring toolkit based in PowerPoint, which lets you enhance your slides with quizzes, interactions, screencasts, dialogue simulations, characters, and more, and create outstanding interactive e-learning courses. The brand new iSpring Suite 9 has been updated with a lot of great features as well as interface enhancements. Let's take a look at what's new. The simple screen capture tool has now become a fully fledged video editing suite, iSpring Cam Pro 9, which lets you record your screen and webcam simultaneously, then produce polished explainer videos with picture-in-picture, transitions, annotations, and much more. The interaction capabilities have exploded with iSpring Visuals, now offering 12 captivating interactions to present information to your learners in a smooth, natural way. Each interaction template is tailored to achieve different learning objectives depending on your needs. iSpring Quizmaker now includes the ultra-popular drag-and-drop question style, where you can use objects, shapes, and words to guide your learners to the correct answers in record time. There's also a bunch of interface enhancements that make it even more easy to create and design questions and feedback slides, format text and images, add mathematical formulas, and give your learners instructions on how to pass the quiz. On top of all that, the iSpring Suite toolbar in PowerPoint has been streamlined, making it much easier to access the presentation resources, customize the player, and publish your course to online formats and destinations. Even the publish window is much more straightforward with just a few key options to adjust. And that's not all. There's plenty more nifty things to discover. You can download a free trial of iSpring Suite 9 and take a look at all the new features at iSpringSolutions.com.